So today's session for the discussion is to convert any other number system into the decimal number system. So what you need to do here mainly today, any other number system, 2, 8, 10, 16, 17, any other number system into decimal number system. So you have to convert any other number system into the decimal number system. This is my targeted topic today. So especially I am going to discuss here how to convert any of the number system into the decimal number system. What the procedure, and I will going to have few discussion about the binary to decimal conversion over here in this session. So the main thing is over here, what is the formula for it to do? You have to make summation of the digit multiply with mainly 2 to the power place value. Okay, so in order to convert a binary number system into the decimal number system, you need to take each digit of the binary number, multiply with 2 to the power place value. Okay, next similarly here digit multiply with 8 to the power place value. Next digit 16 to the power place value. Next digit any number system 17 to the power place value. Now before starting that, what do you mean by place value? Place value is nothing else. Here let's say A, B, C dot D and E. So what is the place value? The place value is nothing else. Here you have to start from dot. This side dot right side is actually place value -1, this is -2, and this one left hand side, this is 0, 1 and 2, like this one. This is actually the place values. Okay, so what we need to do, we'll see some of the examples over here. Let's say convert binary to decimal number system. Let's say binary number given to 11012, you need to convert into the decimal number system. What you need to do, you have to first take the place values. So there is no dot after fraction, there is no dot, so obviously the place value starts from the left side, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are my place values. So what is the formula? Digit multiply with 2. So in order to convert to the decimal, the same number system radix to the power place value. So here what is the digit? You have to start from here, leftmost only always. 1 multiply with 2 to the power 0 plus 0 multiply with 2 to the power 1 plus 1 multiply with 2 to the power 2 plus 1 multiply with 2 to the 3. So obviously what is that? 1, this 0 into anything 0 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, so this is 8 plus 13. So 13 decimal. Do you all understand? So this is the way we can convert this binary number system into the decimal number system. So we can have some other example also. I'll take 1 or 2 more examples so that you can understand binary to decimal number system. 10111.01 into the decimal number system. So what you need to do, first you have to get the place value. Okay, the place value from dot to this side is actually -1, -2, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you have to take the summation of digit multiply with 2 to the power place value. Okay, so this will be start from here. Okay, 0, 1 multiply with 2 to the power minus 2 plus 0 multiply 2 to the minus 1 plus 1 multiply 2 to the 0 plus 1 multiply 2 to the 1 plus 1 multiply 2 to the 2 plus 0 multiply 2 to the 3 plus 1 multiply 2 to the 4 plus 1 multiply 2 to the 5. Next you can 1 by 4 which is 0.25, 0 multiplied to the 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, this is also 0 plus 16 plus 32. Now you can add all the things, 32, 6, 38, 10, 48, 4, 52, 54, 55.25. Okay, you can convert any number into the decimal number by having this formula, digit multiply with the base of the given number to the power place value of the given number. Okay, so now we can see some more examples. Let's say one more example, 1011.01 into the decimal number. So again what you have to do, you have to first find out the place value. The place value of this is minus 1, minus 2, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. After that you have to take the formula digit multiply with the base of the given number to the place value of the each digit of the given number. So next what you need to do here, you have to start always from the left. 1, 2 to the power minus 2 plus 0, 2 to the minus 1 plus 0, 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 1 plus 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 2 plus 1, 2 to the power 3. So see here, this is 1 by 4.25. This is anything multiplied with 0 is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0, anything multiplied with 0 is 0. Next 8. So this will be 11.25. Okay. So this is the way we can convert binary number into the decimal number. So we'll end up the session here with one more example. 1 0 0 0 0 0 the binary into the decimal. So what you have to do, again the same formula, you need to find out the place value first. The place value, there is no point, so that's why you say 0, place value 1, place value 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you need to do, you have to multiply all digit, summation of digit, multiply with the given radix to the power place value of each digit of the number. So this is starting from your 0 multiplied 2 to the 0, 0 multiplied 2 to the 1, 0 multiplied 2 to the 2, 0 multiplied 2 to the 3, 0 multiplied 2 to the 4, next 1 multiplied 2 to the 5. So everything multiplied 0, 0, only let it out is 32. So which is 32 best. So this is the way you can convert the binary number into the decimal number. Thank you.